Hey everybody, today we are working on a 2017 Honda Civic Type R. I don't know a ton about these vehicles outside of the fact the gentleman that keeps bringing this car to us absolutely loves it. They're really fast, the whole shot real quickly, but it's just a fun vehicle for him to drive, and he is very particular about the car. So what he did is he had us remove the factory hood, and he had a custom carbon fiber hood sent to us, and he wanted to do some custom painting. So let's go check it out. Look at this hood. This thing turned out amazing. The customer is super excited to see it. Basically, what it looked like when he brought it to us, you saw all the carbon fiber. And he decided he didn't like that look. It had kind of a lower end look, because that's what a lot of, I guess, kids do these days, is throw a carbon fiber hood on. So we figured out the design that he wanted, and then we did our fine line, masked it off, did our sealer, our base coat on all this, and then we removed the masking, clear coated it, sanded it down, and gave it one more clear coat over the whole thing. That way he has plenty of UV protection for out in the sunlight, as well as chip protection as well. Right here, as you saw on the hood out there, or I'm sorry, on the radiator support, for when he's racing, he needs to have hood pins. So the pins are installed on the radiator support itself in a specific location, and then these will be the lay flat latches. So he'll have the central locking point from the factory, and then he'll have two additional latches to hold the hood down. That way he's up to safety code for the racetrack. This is where most shops make a mistake. So one of the things that most all your professionals do in the painting world these days is you always verify your color before you go to the trouble of spraying the vehicle and putting all that material on there. The reason being, it's a waste of time, energy, and materials, and with the cost of base coat being upwards of $6 a sprayable ounce now, it behooves you just to do your due diligence on the front side. So what we've done here is, it may be difficult to see, we'll see in the later part of the video here, we have two different colors here. And so what we have is, the top one is our camera shot, and then the lower section was the actual code for this color. And as you'll see, you won't see it here because I have the lights on, but what we'll do is we give this about a 1/4 inch black gap between the two, and then we put the sun gun on it, which gives it more of the correct, Macbeth color correct lighting. That way we can see if there's any metabolism or anything like that going on. At which point, once we verify the color to the other part of the vehicle, we've got a good match, or if we are blending, we have a blendable match, then we'll go ahead, document that, and mix up for the color. So this is more of true color correct lighting, like Macbeth lighting. But if you look, there's two different colors here, and now you can see it with the lights off and how different it looks.